Scientists just figured out why
bats don't get cancer, and it might point the way to human treatments too. Usually the size of an animal correlates to its lifetime, but bats can live for 30 to 40 years, decades longer than you'd predict from their size, and they almost never develop tumors. That is despite the fact that in lab tests we find that bat cells are actually more susceptible to cancers, as they only need 2 pieces of genetic damage to become cancerous, compared to the 3 to 8 needed for human cells. So the question is, despite this increased vulnerability, how do they avoid cancer? Scientists at the University of Rochester found that the key to bat resilience lies in a tumor suppression gene called p53, often referred to as the guardian of the genome. It is responsible for detecting DNA damage and triggering apoptosis, cellular death, before a cell has time to turn into cancer. Humans have a copy of this gene too, but in about half of all human cancers, researchers found that it had mutated and no longer worked properly. Bats, though, carry 2 copies of this gene, a rare genomic duplication that makes their version of p53